traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty is going to be behaving tomorrow as well as Nifty and what would be the key levels that we need to trade. And before we proceed, let me just quickly tell you we did 50,000 today on our live trading forum. If you want to make similar profits, join us on www.rltrgroup.com, or there's a link for free Telegram channel listed below. You can also join there and take your live trading journey or just better your trading experience with our live trades. So let us go ahead and see what's happening here. The first thing that we need to understand is that what are the key levels for tomorrow. Now over here, this looks like a double top situation, but I have actually told you that we are going to face a resistance at 34,000. Now, if you would see, that's actually the reason why I shifted from Bank Nifty to Nifty, understanding that this is going to actually be a challenge for us. So until we go ahead and break 34,100, there is not going to be any position upside. But if we break 34,100 and if we sustain, we are going to easily see a quick rally over here up till 34,000. Let me just get that through. So that would be somewhere around 34,230. And if at that time we consolidate and better it up, then we are going to go in a pure bull trend thereafter. So over here, there is a key resistance at 34,343 that we need to be concerned about. And after we go ahead, take out these levels, then we are going to have a freeway onto the top and we are going to take care, much of the targets over there. Now, also with that, now because we are traders, we need to also have levels as to if things go wrong tomorrow and what would be our downside. Now, there is this particular trend line that is happening, from here, which is generated from the 26th of March. Now, what you need to do is that whenever there is a break of this trend line as well, do not short it immediately. There is this particular zone, this 200 points, which is going to be a no trading zone for you. So whenever you're at this situation, wait for 33,600 to be broken and then look for an easy target over here until 33,388. So this would be a key level for you. So these are the levels for Bank Nifty. And for Nifty, now this is again a key level that we need to concentrate on. So the key level is over here, nothing but 14,881. If we go ahead and cross 14,881 after a gap up tomorrow, we can easily look for an immediate target of 87 points at 14,955. Now, on the downside, if we go ahead and look at this particular trend line, remember, whenever the trend line is broken, don't immediately shoot for your targets, but wait for it to break the next follow-up that it is having here. So the next follow-up is somewhere around 14,729. So my no trading zone would be over here for these 100 points. My trading zone would only be on the CE side for an upside that I can see over here at 14,950 if we cross 14,881. All right. So on a downside, let's say if we break 14,729 today, we are going to easily go ahead and, touch the bottom as the first support at 14,612. And if we somehow manage to do that, then we are going to reach somewhere around 14,500 as well. So there are a couple of, levels at the bottom, but there is only one very crucial level. So I think this 87, points is quite achievable. So we would just need to wait for Bank Nifty to open below 14,881 and then, Nifty to open below 14,881, consolidate and then break the level. And then you're going to see decent targets. So these are my levels. I hope they are profitable for you. And also to follow up on the previous video that we had sent, we had made a fascinating trade over here that we also took here in Bank Nifty on the last video that I had shared. Hope you guys have made decent amount of profits, and we look forward to see you on our next video as well. Thank you so much for your time. Jai Hind, and see you once again tomorrow. Bye bye.